ndakumva mwana.
Ndikukubwira ngo uwo muntu. Ni umuhanzi.
Ni umuhanzi.
Alo.
Wi ndakumva ni umuhanzi.
Uwo muntu wasagabanye urumozi.
Reka nari ngiye kugenda ngeze hano muri we muhari abaduterera inshinge bari kudupima n'indwara. Ndasinda ndwana n'abadogiteri ba yewe. Turwanye baravuga tuyi mu nyamara n'umusazi. Bahita banjyana Indera Karayezi dossier hagarara gutyo. Banjyanye hara mu kigo cy'abasazi. Ngeze nsanga harimo abasazi gutyo baturutse mu ntara zitandukanye. Nahakubise ibyumweru bibiri. Aho nagezemo bagiye kunera igishinge. N'umusazi bagutera igishinge nk'iki batera inka. Bahita wibera zezenye ugatangira gucira inkunda kikakumara mu kwezi. Njye narababwiye mu mbabare ntimunere igishinge rwose
niba usinze.
Nari nasinze mu mbabare. Baramba baracyakura bampa ibinini byo gutuma nsinze. Aho ubu nimba naragiye bunumva maze muri Amerika umwaka. Bagashyiramo umuziki tukabyina. Ukabyinana n'umusazi ushaka
mu masambane.
Abayobozi babaye. Murabyina tubyinanye amasaha abiri. Turi kubyina. Ukabyinana n'umusazi w'umugore ushaka. Abarimo n'udusazi.
Ese nagasazi wavuye wakunze cyangwa neza muri mazi.
Byinanye n'abasazi navuga ku musazi umwe nkabyinana n'undi.
Wari kwitoranyiriza.
Twari nabonye umusazi mwiza w'Ikigali urugore rwiza runini narwo rw'urusazi. Ndarubyinisha rurakaye ruransunika mfata uwundi. Ndabyina ufata ushaka. Naboneye Indera ni byinshi hari abasazi badasanzwe b'ubwoko bwose. None baturuka mu ntara zitandukanye. Twese bakaduhuriza hari abasazi bose. Ariko ikintu batubwiye hari Indera abaganga bacu. Iyo ukubise undi musazi twese abasazi bose tuguhuriraho. Ntabwo tuba dushaka gukubita umusazi mu gihe.
Murakora muri iyi unit.
Gukubise umusazi twese turagukura. Cyakora ikintu cyanangaje twamaze kurya saa sita. Umusazi afata isahani amaze kuriraho ahita ayishyira hasi ayinyaho. Isahani amaze kuriraho. Cyatumye mwanga abantu baje kumbwira ati uriya mukecuru ni umuruzi. Buriya ushobora kuzatinda hariya akazakuroga kuko yacuruzaga n'urwagwa.
Kigero ufite imyaka ingahe?
Kigero nari mfite imyaka nka 17 18.
Ubwo we uyu mwibutse ubona yari nko mu myaka ingahe icyo gihe?
Yari nko muri 60. Ku buryo yayaga namwira ati ngiye nkamubwira ati turi mu gisasi twageze mu buriri. Amubwira mama ahindukira hano. Akambwira ati ngo mama kandi uri kurongora nyoko. Duvuga ngo shiri nanjye nkagira isoni ko yari umukecuru anduta cyane. Nkagira isoni zo kumubwira ngo ni shiri. Amubwira mama birinduka hano nyegere. Kamusi ndi nyoko ngewe.
Back to cardio with Ricardo. Today we're gonna be working out as a chiropractor. Come on in, bud.
Hi.
Tell me where your pain at.
Oh, my back is killing.
Lower back?
Yes.
Neck pain? Y'all wanna make sure she's fully adjusted so when I'm doing my thing, she ain't no pain. I don't need your opinion, big fella. I wanna hear the woman's perspective.
Yes.
Lower back, first we're gonna crack that spine, okay? Get you up in there. Ain't gonna take long at all. One. Okay, let's regroup. I must be invisible or she told him I'm a hoe. Felt that? Hey man, let her go. Switch positions. Hey big fella, that part of her don't hurt. We're gonna crack that lower back. This adjustment in full effect. One. You felt that? He done went from having a patient to trying my patient. All these sessions be. Crack that neck. One. I'll be feeling good. This is my neck of the woods. Let's switch positions. I need you to bend.
Okay.
Twin, can you bend?
Okay.
It's gonna take no longer than 30 seconds. Wow! This shit finna give me a heart attack. Wow. I'm just feeling better. He got his license at a porn convention. Yeah, and this nigga keep hollering one like I'm the one to play with. Back that chest. I know you in a lot of pain. Your whole relationship with me. You know. Bye. Oh my gosh. That must have a conversation gotta be had. What time is wrong? What time is wrong?